Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have another great video for you today. We are going to be talking about the latest EV news out there. Rivian is starting to make its debut for retail investors out there today. Yesterday it did go on the market and it was selling its stock RIVN to corporations out there. They are the big dogs and they are allowed to trade first. But before I get into this, if you can please give me that thumbs up, the like button. Also, if you are new to the channel, welcome. We would love to have you part of the community. Hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit all to get all the videos out there. I'd greatly appreciate that. But I did want to just mention that Rivian RIVN will be trading on the stock market today for retail investors as ticker RIVN. It should be available on all the platforms out there. Moving from Moomoo to Robinhood, Webull, TD Ameritrade, pretty much all of them should be trading for retail investors today. Now, as of yesterday, the stock did open up to corporations at about $74. As of this morning, last time I checked, it was up to $78, but we'll definitely have to see how the retail investors pile in. I do suspect that there will be a lot of excitement about this stock. I do think that a lot of retailers will be purchasing, and I do plan on this stock going up anywhere from $85 to $90. Just in my opinion. Now, will I be buying this stock now? The answer is no. I will be waiting for a cool-off period. I will be waiting for the dust to settle down. Hopefully, I will get this stock in at about $65 or under. We'll definitely have to see if it goes that low, as I do not have a crystal ball to tell you if it will go that low. Now, I can tell you that the valuation of the company is starting to be quite high. It is higher than that of Ford Motor Company, and it is approaching that of General Motors. So this electric vehicle has just started up now. It is a brand new EV startup truck company, but does it really have that big valuation? We'll definitely have to see. I do know that it does have a lot of backers. We have Amazon that owns about 20% of the stock shares. We have Ford Motor Company that owns about 15% of the stock shares. So you do have a lot of, big influence there. But looking at the company itself, it does have a lot of great potential in the future. It has a huge demand of its pickup truck and its SUV. The pickup truck is the R1T. The SUV is the R1S. They do have quite a bit of a demand, about 54,000 units as of right now. I think it's closer to 55,000 reservations, pre-orders. They do have that down payment, the deposit of $1,000. So I definitely think that these are legit reservations. So there's going to be a lot of demand, a lot of people wanting to buy this truck and this SUV. It is starting price about $70,000. So definitely it's a nice price point in my opinion. But the big key is the mass production of this vehicle, as we do know that all EV startups do have to cross that big resistance of trying to mass produce these vehicles. This year alone, Rivian RIVN as a company will be producing about 1,200 of its vehicles, and that is a mix between its pickup truck, its SUV, and Amazon has done a pre-order of its electric delivery vans. So Rivian did get that big contract because it is backed up by Amazon to make the electric delivery vans, as Amazon does expect to be, green in the future. So they did reserve 100,000 of its electric delivery vans that should be delivered by the year 2030. So this year alone, there has been 1,200 of a combination of the truck, SUV, and the Amazon delivery vans that will be delivered this year alone. So definitely we'll have to watch this company. As I said, it does have a lot of potential. It has a lot of growth potential in the future. But we'll definitely have to see how this stock pans out. I will be making an updated video later today or tomorrow just to let you know what I think about this stock and its new valuation, as I do think that it will start going up. Now, I did want to tell you about the latest Lucid news. Lucid has been having that cool off period, which is very healthy, very good for this stock because it was red hot. It went up over 100% in the past 1 month, and we are starting to see a cool off, which is very good. We will see a good consolidation. That does give us a new base, and then we're going to move up from there. I do suspect that hopefully this stock will go under $40 and give us some very nice buying opportunities. Also, I have been saying that my own prediction, my own opinion is that December 3rd for all stocks out there is going to be a very critical date, because you have that federal government that does need to address the big elephant in the room, which is the U.S. debt. So the debt ceiling does expire. Remember, the U.S. government did give extra funding to the government for the government to stay operational, to stay afloat until December 3rd. We will have now the U.S. government, all the politicians need to get back together, and they do need to start funding the U.S. government again. But that does expire December 3rd. I do think that there will be a lot of volatility around that time, in my opinion, and especially if a deal does not come through, I do suspect that there will be a lot of cool off in the stock market, and it will be a nice buying opportunity to get into some of these stocks. But again, these are just my opinions, and we are looking at more than 1 month down the road. So a very important date to note. Also, since we are talking about dates, a very big important date is November 15th for Lucid Motors LCID, as it will have its Q3 earnings report coming out that day. This will be very big and very important for this stock, for this company, because we will start seeing some of those revenue numbers. We will start seeing what this company is capable of, and we can extrapolate these numbers. I definitely think that a lot more analysts will be reviewing Lucid Motors stock after the Q3 earnings report, and we'll definitely see a lot more price targets coming forward. So we'll definitely see what it could do. This could be either positive or negative depending on what the earnings numbers are. In my opinion, I think this will be some positive news, but we'll definitely have to see, and I will keep you updated on this. I did just want to touch up on GGPI, Polestar. I did have a lot of comments out there that some people are not able to find this ticker on trading apps, for example, like Robinhood. Well, I did just want to let you know that I did just want to also do a plug-in because this is available on Webull. It's available on Moomoo as well. But I have, as you know, partnered up with Moomoo as a trading app. And this company is now giving my viewers very, very good stock potentials. But if you open an account with Moomoo, you get a free stock valued anywhere from $3 to $350 just for opening an account, putting zero money down. If you put any money into this account, even $1, you will get an additional free stock with Moomoo. So that gives you 2 free stocks valued anywhere from $350. Now, that second free stock, if you do deposit up to $100, they will give you a stock valued anywhere from, I believe it's $100. In the past, I have been getting people Lucid Motor stocks and NEO stocks. So definitely check that out, as this is a very good opportunity to take advantage of. Also, if you use my link down below, you can also use Webull, get free stocks for depositing money. Also, Coinbase, if you're into cryptocurrency, take advantage of those as well. But anyway, I did want to tell you, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new. I will get back to you, and we will be trading with Lucid Motors, and I will update you on RIVN, Rivian, which does have its initial public offering today for retail investors. Yesterday, it did start on the stock market, selling to corporations. Remember, the big dogs get to eat first. That's just the name of the game. But we'll definitely see how much excitement, how much money is going into this company. But please, if you can, give me that thumbs up if you learned something new. It'll share my videos and keep me alive on YouTube. Also, if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos out there. And please continue to share this video, continue to share this channel, this page with others, as we are growing this community very, very nicely. Continue to share it with your friends, your family, coworkers, that next door neighbor. I'd greatly appreciate it. And my goal is to get this channel up to 10,000 by the end of this month. So I really appreciate all your help, all your support. And also thank you so much for all your support and prayers for my mother. She has cancer. She is currently at home. She's stable, but we'll definitely keep an eye out on her as she's been in and out of the hospital lately. But again, thank you so much for all your prayers. For my mother-in-law, she is in hospice, home hospice. My wife has been going there quite a bit. But thank you so much again for your prayers on her. She is in quite a bit of a pain, but we'll definitely keep her spirits up. And again, thank you so much for all your support, all your prayers. But I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you so much, and happy trading. Make a lot of money, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.